Hello! So today I wanted to do like Warpaint tutorial because lots of you have been asking me like how do you do, what are your inspirations and stuff, and so I wanted to make a video about this today. So mostly my inspiration comes from video games like Skyrim or The Witcher or World of Warcraft. So I'm basically super inspired by the, characters Warpaint and designs and stuff. So I always try to recreate at some point this Warpaint, and I'm also inspired by a lot of people on Instagram. And you can check out, for example, Felbane, my dear Lauren, and she does awesome stuff. We'll probably put a link in the description box to some Instagram profiles that I love. So basically for my wall paint I use this brand Focus, yes, which is a big effect. It's a LARP brand, I think. Well, they do water-based makeup, which means that you have to use either your fingers like me or a brush. You put it in the water and then you can use this and it just washes off with water, or you can use soap, but water is totally okay. So I only have this in black, but they do lots of beautiful color and I wanted to order one in some sort of a dark purple burgundy color that I found very pretty. And so yeah, today I wanted to do like a Warpaint. Warpaint, I cannot say that, I can't talk. So I wanted to do something with runes, like maybe one here and two runes here. And I don't know, and black here. I will try to figure it oh my god, I will try to figure it out during the makeup. Let's begin! So first you have to open the thing. So you just like do this. This is as simple as that. on my lips. I think I'm gonna go for a, I don't know, another color or something. So I'm pretty satisfied with the result. Oh, wait. So that's really quick and really easy to do once you know how to like use the paint, and it washes off pretty nicely. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me in the comment if I should do another one or another theme. Don't forget to subscribe because I love having new subscribers because it means that you like my work. Bye!